In this tutorial, let's learn some quick tips and tricks to fix can't play Roblox games bug. So let's start this tutorial. First of all, what you have to do is check the internet speed. For that, open Chrome. Here search for internet speed test. Here tap on continue on the web. Tap on go. Here you can check the speed of the internet. After that, the next step what you have to do is tap on this gear icon. Scroll down to additional settings. Scroll down to developer options. Here enable the developer options. After that scroll down. Keep scrolling. Here you will find the options of game driver preference. Tap on it. Here search for Roblox. Choose Roblox. Choose system graphic drivers. Go back. Here enable GPU debug layer. After that, the next method is that go to the App Store or Play Store. Search for Roblox app. Make sure that the app is updated. If not, update it first. And the last step, what you have to do is go to the gear icon, scroll down to apps, tap on manage apps. Here search for Roblox. Here you can enable battery savers, other permissions, and here you can clear all the data and cache. Simply do that. Follow all these steps to fix the game bug. I hope this video will help you out. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial.